This is how it looks. It's the same color with this container. It's not white, more or less like milky color. Can you see? Hello beautiful people, welcome to my channel. This is Yemin's Beautiful. We're all about skincare, product review, DIYs, everything about skincare and beauty. If you're just seeing my face for the first time, you're welcome, and just do well to subscribe. If you've been watching me all this while, please remember to like my content, because that way you encourage me and you help YouTube to push me up and I get more subscribers. So on today's video, we're going to be making a review on one product. That product is a body butter. It's mostly for people that have dry skin. Yeah, dry skin. I'm not saying someone with normal skin cannot use it, but it's very good for dry, chapped skin. Let's see the product I am reviewing. So as I said, this is the body butter I'm talking about. Queen Elizabeth cocoa butter hand and body cream. There are some people that say that you can use this on your face. I'm not of the school of thought that you can use this butter on your face. I would not advise you, because it could clog your pores. Please. It's our advice to use it on your feet, your hands, your legs, those dry places, your elbows. You can even use it as a hand moisturizer, but on your face, for me, it's a no. This body butter is very good. It's made from using cocoa butter, and it has some other very nice ingredients which soften the skin a lot, soften chapped dry skin. We have so many fake in the market. If you want original product, if you want better product, you can reach out to me. Yes, you can reach out to me and I'll source for the original #1 product for you. Okay, as I said, this is very good for very dry skin. Those people are looking for moisturizers for their dry skin. This is very good for your skin. This is very good. Yeah, very good. Let me read what it says here. It says it helps protect your skin from the sun. It's excellent for use on skin that is overexposed to sun or wind. Some of this wind, like now in the month of February, we're having this harmattan wind blowing. You could also use this. Yeah, it helps your skin a lot. It helps restore and control essential moisture balance. Very good. And when I use it on my hand or my palm, it has this cooling. It says here that it softens dry, irritated, chapped and sunburned skin. It also helps relieve stretched skin during and after pregnancy. That means it's also very good for the pregnant women, even those that have put to bed. You can also use this around your tummy, your hips, where you have stretch marks. Instead of scratching it, just apply on it and just rub it for it to absorb. Yeah, it suits and softens hand, face and body. No, don't use it on your face. That's mine. Don't use it on your face. It's very good for those that are looking for a very good moisturizer for their skin. This is very good and is affordable. This is the medium size. They have a smaller one, and they also, I think they have, well, I've actually seen just these two sizes, this and the smaller one. So if you know how to identify this, the original, go ahead. But it's very, so if you've used this product, you have any comments, you can just drop in the comment section below. Let me know how it felt on your skin, how it was on your skin. Yeah, was it good? Did you break out? But for me, I don't use it on my whole body. I just use it on my elbow, my hands, my feet. So, but there might be people that want to use it all over their body. It's your choice. And skin differs. I didn't have any breakout on my hand, neither did I have on my feet. The good thing about this for me what I noticed was that it softened my hand. It was cool. It had this cooling effect on my hand, my palms. I mean, my palms, and it was so moisturizing. Yeah, so moisturizing. I didn't need to keep apply except I dip my hands in water. That's why I needed to apply it again. But that's my honest review about this. Just drop your own questions or comments on the. We have come to the end of this video. Please guys, if you liked my content, don't forget to hit that like button. And for those of you that have not subscribed, please do well to subscribe and also share to your friends and family. And that bell icon there, yes, just click on it so that it will notify you anytime I put up my another video. Bye.